Hey everyone, back at Slab Hut. Got a couple of hours here, and then we're on our way back down to Nelson Creek tomorrow. Catch up for the prospectors gathering. So we're just doing a quick cheeky dig in here for a couple of hours. So yeah, day's not too bad. So yeah, it's not raining yet. So yeah, so we'll just set up the sluice. Sluice over there, and then yeah, so we're just using the classifier. Jade said it works really well for now, so we'll see how it goes, and then yeah, we'll just dig a hole and happy days. Get that gold, Jade.
Yeah.
Right. Back soon. Jade's just digging the hole, filling the sluice with the classified stuff. Just using that classifier, seems to work alright, but yeah, got a few changes I think I need to make. But we're just digging a hole just here because we think this is a low pressure part coming along, and then it should be a low dip in here, so it should be a low pressure, and then hopefully everything's just dropping out along here. So we'll see what happens in the bucket, or in the sluice I should say. But yeah, hopefully it should all work. Cool. Back soon. Pretty clean. Much left in there. Clean as a whistle.
Green Mac for cheating on you just this once. First time.
He's back to the old faithful.
Hey.
Hey.
Only today.
Yeah, we're just feeding it in. So it's classified down with this bucket sluice, bucket from classifier, and ripping it down the sluice, and we'll see what we get. Hopefully it should be alright. Looks like it's running okay. The V's right down to here, so it's got a reasonable flow on. I saw a wee bit just in there somewhere, but it might be a wee bit hard to see. Anyway, let's see what happens. Come back soon. Feed that box, Jade.
Can't feed it that much, eh?
Yeah. Pretty good.